How to fix Omegle error connecting to the server. 1. Reboot your router, if any. 2. Check Omegle servers. 3. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. 4. Try another device. 5. Clear your browser's browsing data. Like this. 6. Flush your DNS settings via IP protocol configuration /flushins command. Plan B, use these. Commands: netshare winsock reset netshare int IP reset IP protocol configuration /release IP protocol configuration /renew IP protocol configuration /flushins plan C IP protocol configuration /flushins IP protocol configuration /release IP protocol configuration /release 6 IP protocol configuration /renew and plan D IP protocol configuration /flushins IP protocol configuration /registeredins IP protocol configuration /release IP protocol configuration /renew netshare winsock reset. And if you're a Mac user, run the following command accordingly. Mac OS Monterey sudo scotchy util flush cache sudo killal hupm DNS responder. Mac OS Big Sur 1.2.0 sudo scotchy util flush cache sudo killal hupm DNS responder. On Mac OS Catalina 10.15.0 sudo killal hupm DNS responder. Mac OS Mojave 10.14.0 sudo killal hupm DNS responder. Mac OS High Sierra 10.13.0 sudo killal hupm DNS responder. Mac OS Sierra 10.12.0 sudo killal hupm DNS responder. 7. Update your browser. 8. Check for potential outage with your internet service provider. 9. Repair corrupt system files. Commands include sfc /scanodism /online /cleanup image /check helpdism /online /cleanup image /scan helpdism /online /cleanup image /restore help dism /online /cleanup image /restore help /source wimx sources install.wim1 /limit access 10. Connect from another network, if you can. 11. Disable Windows Defender /antivirus software.